Hey guys, I bet you I could pop all these 5 poppets before you can like, follow, and share. And you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating and it's not right. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. Did you?
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.
If you hit it one more time, you're grounded. If you hit it one more time, I'm taking all your toys. If you hit it one more time, I'm kicking you out of the house. If you hit it one more time, I'm gonna unadopt you. If you hit it one more time, Jeffy, I'm gonna take you out of school. You're never going back to school again.
Simple, button squish, button squish, button squish. Что? Если голова болит, simple, button squish, button squish.
If I say your mom's name, she's gonna buy you Fidget. Lucy, Karen, Samantha, Tiffany, Ashley, Stella, Maddie, Madeline, Sophia, Adriana, Rebecca, Veronica, Gracie, Jackie, Stacy, Sarah, Keisha, Anna, Bianca, Catherine, Diana, Edna, Fiona, Gianna, Henrietta, Izzy, Jacqueline, Caitlin, Lola, Melissa, Nancy, Olivia, Penelope, Regina, Sasha. Comment down below if I said your mom's name. Bye.
Send this to a fake friend. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you're watching this, I don't like you. And if you think this isn't true, you're right. You're my best friend, and I love you.
This is my Fidget. This is my hater's Fidget. I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.